give a fucking aerial flight about stereotypes. I'll bury your wife alive and piss on a burial site. I carried a knife tonight, plus I'm feeling hostile. Enough to fill a model up and stuff a twat with a tequila bottle. Schematics beats bring out the savage beast. Children follow, hitting harder than the Ivan Drago punch that killed Apollo. From Long Island Sound to Philadelphia, Allentown, they bowing down to the crown of King Sizes Palace now. Ground and pound the clowns, marketing their accolades. I got an axe to grind, so I'm sharpening my hatchet blades. Targeting the squads of charlatans who masquerade. Got me naturally high, still harvesting a batch of haze. Police barricades couldn't stop me during martial law. We ain't in the building, it's Austin on every apartment floor. An inspiration, Bollock's bringing out the carnivore till Q-Tip drops some new shit, doing horrorcore.
Live from the bandit seas with 20 grams of weed. I fucking tap your face like the piano keys. King size, my brother, yeah, that's fam to me. You idiots still searching tragically for the magic beans. It'll never happen for y'all. I feel bad sometimes. I'm about to start rapping for y'all. It's too fucking late. I rhyme just to fucking hate. Niggas said they want drama, dog. I can't fucking wait. I'm looking at you, just pointing at my wife. Soon as the drama come, you start pointing to the cops. You the fag behind the hitting glass. They told you it wasn't see-through, but they lied, pussy. I can still see you. I can smell a rat. I've been to hell and back. Black, motherfucker, run and tell him that. I've been to hell and back. I can smell a rat. Black, motherfucker, run and tell him
I got that new stigma. I'm known for kicking lyrical literature. The way that I'm benching is too much. It's pinning, your time is ticking. So every rhyme that's written is designed to take over the fucking game in an instant. You want some bitch shit? Me, I'm a Philly rider. Step in my head, I show who really got problems. Beat is too raw, my mind is too far. This that hip hop that make you lay weed in your car, make you drink and drive. Don't even think you'll die till you bang out, rockin' diabolic in size. Had to hit up just a law, plus a king in the cause. Man, it's AOTP, we known for kicking down doors. So yo, let's get it down, spit it around, vicious sound, militia bound. We the ring of fire that'll rip through your town. And yo, ain't no hook in the song, just a bunch of my niggas getting together, man, and dropping a bomb.
Possibility, your hostility increasing when I'm speaking on ability. Your lack of is killing me. It's me and diabolic sizing up your wallet so I can get these savings. Rising up a college, lies from a bunch of scholars. Die for a couple dollars, both happen round here. If you trying to knuckle holler, and I'll be swinging like a freaky couple does. Fuck with us is like sniffing Oxycontins. I crush your buzz. Lost cause, we don't break it, we adjust the law. Bust blue steel until you see just a law. What up, been and dope? But now I'm finna hope of coming in the game. It's not a game, it's skin and throats. I got a habit of stabbing my hand at whatever's happening, fam. Whatever happened to fans. If I expand any further, it's murder in every land they heard of us. The army invading all of y'all nervousness.
And packing, it's an accident waiting to happen. I can smell blood, I want a taste of the action. I only take drugs out of a fatal reaction. I ain't even fazed by it, I'm chasing the dragon. I can't stop for the pain, it's a wasted emotion. A drop of rain to the ocean.